Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Mailchimp for transactional events and mobile campaigns. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Mailchimp website. Click on the sign up button if you don't have an account. If you already have an account, click on login. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Once logged in, go to your Mailchimp dashboard. Locate the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Account to open Account Settings. Under the Settings tab, choose Transactional Email. You will be redirected to the Mandrill page. If you don't have a Mandrill account, you'll need to create one. Follow the prompts to create a Mandrill account. After setting up your Mandrill account, return to Mailchimp. Find the section labeled API Keys under the Mandrill settings. Generate a new API key by clicking on the Create a Key button. Copy the generated API key to your clipboard. Now, go to your mobile campaign platform or app. In the mobile campaign settings, find the option to integrate with Mailchimp. Paste the copied API key into the designated field. Select the types of transactional events you want to track. This may include sign-ups, purchases, or notifications. Save these settings to ensure your integration is active. Test the integration by initiating a transactional event. Check both your Mailchimp and mobile campaign platform for confirmation. Review reports to monitor the success of your transactional emails. You are now ready to utilize Mailchimp for your mobile campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.